going outside into the blizzard. Okay, have to see how deep this place is. Here, watch. I'm gonna dig in the snow and try and look for the bottom. There's the bottom, right there. Look how high that is. All the way up there. That's some deep snow. My feet are going practically a foot under the ground. Right there. Look how deep that is. Okay. This is the second day in a row we haven't had school. Our driveway, well, let's say it's not much of a driveway anymore. Now back. Trying to find solid ground right here. Ah, that's cold. There's a lot of wind. Look at that. It's like sediments of a rock, but it's made out of snow. And look, there's a hill right there. There's an actual hill inside here. Here, I'll show you solid ground. Look, my snow is up to my knees. Look at that. It's up to my knees. My hand doesn't get hypothermia, then I'm going to dig in the snow and try and find ground to show you how deep it is. That's cold. Right there, solid ground. That right there. We start down here. We go all the way up here. That's how deep it is right here. Okay, that's it.